Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of the monthly economic update on Economy.lk. It's been a while, so we'll recap some of the key developments on the local front as well as the external front. I think a key thing that has been taking place has been the discussions with the IMF on our debt sustainability and regaining a program as well. To that effect, we now have a staff level agreement in place, but now it is in the process of moving towards getting the board approval at the IMF level, which is contingent on the upcoming budget on the 14th of November being in line with the overall fiscal framework as advised by the IMF, as well as how the debt restructuring discussions will take place, and if the creditors can agree to some of the measures that will need to be taken to make our debt sustainable as well. So those two critical factors are what's driving that conversation. So while that is taking place in terms of our regaining macro stability, some of the other key indicators have also been a bit of a worry, in particular growth. This year in 2020, we will see the sharpest slowdown in economic growth of close to above 8%. Some forecasters put it even above 9% as well. But the worry is moving into 2023, whether we will continue to see the same level of, whether we will see some level of growth or whether we will see another 3 to 4% contraction, and that does not bode well for economic activity as well. On the back of this slow growth, we're also seeing inflation at quite high levels. Though in October, at least the Colombo index fell for the first time since October last year. So inflation, which has been rising for a considerable amount of time, is now starting to decelerate, with some of the price revisions having an impact on the economy as well. So I think this will be really crucial in terms of the outlook for interest rates as well, to see whether the high level of interest rates can also come down in the near future as well. On the export side of things, we've had a good 8 to 9 months with strong growth in exports, but with the global recession that is expected, especially a slowdown in key markets like the US and Europe, we're seeing concern whether our export momentum will now be derailed and whether we will see a slight contraction. And that's where factors like remittances, tourism will really be important towards the end of the year and early next year as well. The overall outlook on global growth is of concern, but silver lining has been the fact that commodity prices, in particular oil, has now come down from its high of $130 a barrel to now around $90 a barrel, and this outlook will be really important to see how it will have an impact on global inflation and interest rates going forward as well. So stay tuned to Economy.lk and the monthly economic update as we keep you posted on some of the local and global developments and how it will have an impact on you as well. Thank you.